NORBIT is based in Norway, and we export all over the world. We have offices all over the world. In this case, here in Riyadh, we are showcasing two diver detection sonars or intruder detection sonars, which are designed around a very simple concept, as to be easy to install, easy to maintain, and needs to perform. So this is called GuardPoint 70. It's a long-range sonar, 360, and innovation in the market is this GuardPoint 100, which is designed for shallow waters, which is typical of harbors, typical of industrial facilities. So we secure the perimeter around an industrial facility. Could be an oil and gas platform, could be a wind farm, could be a port, could be a desalination plant. Okay. All those industrial facilities are typically in shallow waters, and this sonar is specifically designed for those situations. I mean, you can probably see this in this drawing. The sound is modulated up and down, scans up and down in the water column, and you detect the divers much further away. Because range is important, detection range is important, because it equates response time. Responding in time is important, and we try to maximize the detection range in any condition. So we have this type of sonars, we have this type of sonars, we have 4 types of sonars, maybe more in the future.